Morning, people. Just had a good little scrape out of the stock section. As you can see, I just caught them just in time. I put a new nest bowl in each box just in time, because then the next day 3 pairs laid eggs in the new bowl. You can see them, the cockburns are driving to nest, so yeah, rather than let them go down again in the same bowl, which I normally always do, I'll slip the new bowl in and wham bam. Thank you, man. Eggs. Right. Got a little blue and a red top box. Feathering up lovely. Pure Sheffield. 1 red. Got a bit of a white tail. Do well. Underneath that, we have 2 blues. Look at that. We've got a blue with a bit of white tail, and this blue has got white. You'll see the white flight underneath. When that's flying, you'll see a white flight. Or say, should I say, I'll see a white flight. Next door. Oh, we'll come back to there. Just move this tray under there so they can feed under there. Up the top, the pilot print and 1 red. The red's actually it's not a pure pilot, it's a pilot Sheffield. And like I said, that's a pilot print, the other one. Look at them bad boys. I don't really mind the colour of this one, but a bit different, isn't it? Be alright. We'll see how it goes. Then underneath we've got another red and a blue. Red with a white tail, well, white flights in the tail, and the blue. Now this one here, she took forever to lay. And I've got 2 little, got 1 little shit. Look at that, same nest. Look at the size difference in them. This pair. I can't really see this little one going to be worth much really. But look at the size difference in them. That little red will be the first to do something wrong, I think. So yeah, we've got eggs everywhere again, apart from here. She's not laid the second round yet. Everywhere else has. So that's good. I've just scraped out and realised I've thrown away about 5 kilograms of wheat and barley out of that mix. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that next year. That's just ridiculous. They just take all the beans, don't they? Beans and peas for protein. I might get a different mix next year for breeding, because just waste so much food. But that's not a story. Should we go next door? Next door we have, she's just laid again. Excuse me. She has just laid again. It's a bit messy in here. I haven't really cleaned the boxes in here. Look at the state of that. That's disgusting. Right, we've got 1 black. Look at these. Look at these. Where's the little black? I wanted 1 more black. There we go. Look at that. Look at them little fellas. That's it, mate. Just crap all over my worktop. I think he's going to be alright, that one. Nice. Nice little print. I've been waiting for years for prints like this, because all my prints were so related and inbred, they didn't really come to much, the young ones. But now obviously I've mixed in that print, Macclesfield, with my prints, and vice versa up here. So I've got my pure print with a Macclesfield print, Henbird. This is the only bowl I didn't get one in time, and she laid outside. She laid this inside the same bowl. But look at them. Look at them little puppies. Hopefully we're going to get about a kit of about 8 of these and fly them by themselves. They are going to look so cool flying at night, them ones. If they make it to night time, it is. Again, I've chucked away loads of food that they leave all the wheat and barley out of that mix, which is obvious. They tell you what they want to eat, don't they? They only want protein. Yeah, they're all down there eating, chucking it all about. Come on then. Should we go over the other shed? We have got some hatched in the other shed. It's mad, isn't it? Birds hatched in the fly shed. What's that all about? Right, I'll show you. Pure Sheffield and a Macclesfield Henbird. They only hatched the other day, yesterday. The second one hatched yesterday. So we'll see how they are. Again, look. They're not going to eat that. They won't eat that. Not when they're pumping babies. Well, they will if I leave it to them to eat it, but they're waiting for beans. Waiting for beans. Right, we've got the last 2 eggs to hatch here, and I didn't write the date down on these, so I've forgotten. But they're not far off. They're not far off. And that's another pair of pilot prints. I'm hoping that they're going to be a lighter pair. A lighter pair of young'uns, because the father's the print. Who's going out today then? It's the girls going out today, they're going out later. Should we say hello? Put the light on. Little Dorothy. I don't name my pigeons, that's just the only one that's got a name. Come on then. Come on. Come on then. Good girls. Come on then. Got a spare print in there. I should let that out and fly really. Get a bit of exercise for it. Come on, didn't eat that bit of barley there yesterday, look. She left that. She didn't. Strangely enough, she was the last one to drop the other day. Thought I'd lost her. Thought she wasn't going to come down. Incidentally, this pigeon here, when it was first hatched and a young'un, I didn't really particularly like it. Because it weren't a full print, it had too much mottle on it. But it's turned out to be a lovely little hen, didn't you? Come on then, come on. Come on then, come on. Yep, happy with them. These are the culprits from last night, the reds. Weren't you? The last one down, he was the white tail pilot print. Not the pilot print, the pilot Sheffield. Come on in. Come on. Hello girls. Come on in. Come on. Come on then. Right now it's 10 minutes. better leave it at that. Thanks for watching. If you're interested, that is. Thanks for watching. If you're not, then why bother watching? Right. See you later.